All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yes, as you can see here, I have the TUDIA merge for the Blade 11 Prime. Here's the device right here. We're gonna go ahead and try that on. But what I'm looking at right here is their brand new indigo blue color, and this color is absolutely beautiful. So before I kick this video off, if you have a Blade 11 Prime, leave a comment down below if you want to win one of these cases. So the indigo blue, man, this is their latest addition to what they offer for TUDIA colors. I'm actually gonna compare it next to the black here. But first, man, this blue, sometimes just doing something different is definitely needed. And I think right now they needed to change the color up on the devices, because they had like this powder blue color. And I don't know how many of those they sold, but this indigo blue is deeper and it is beautiful. See, it's got the same protection. Here's a two-piece case that can come apart. I don't suggest you take it apart. You really don't need to. You got all your air pockets in here for like protection or whatever. And you know, you got your corner protection deep down inside right there. You can see the little air pockets that go around. So if you drop the device, you got this device has a fingerprint reader and the power button. So that is a nice big space right there, and I'll be sure to test that in this video. Headphone jack, mic up top, ports, mic down there, and everything is there. So let's pop the phone in. And that feels just as good as I knew it would. So let's get that fingerprint reader. I gotta enter in my PIN real quick, and then get it. There we go. So it does work very well. It's deeply in there. You can see how deep it is from a side angle like that. It's definitely deep in there. So you've got some nice lip protection going on here. And this is the TUDIA merge in the indigo blue. This is beautiful. So I will try on the black here, because of these colors, these are the two that I will probably wear. But again, leave a comment down below if you want to win one of these cases right here. If you have the Blade 11 Prime, I could probably send it out to you. So appreciate TUDIA sending these cases over for review. Wow, those are beautiful. The Blade 11 Prime is nice. Remember, this case also has, this phone also has wireless charging as well. So this case will work with wireless charging because it has a plastic back on there. But there it is, man, the Blade 11 Prime in all its glory with the TUDIA lineup in the brand new indigo blue color. Good job, TUDIA. Good job.